those pictures that are now coming in, that is JP Nadda there, the BJP national president, as far as the information that is now coming across as this meeting that has now begun. Pradeep Datta continuously is with us. So, Pradeep, we are hoping as far as this time when it comes to the formalities that are now concerned would be done by now. And shortly we're expecting the pictures of Atishi submitting her resignation to the LG.
Yes, after submitting resignation, Atishi has left this place. I tried to ask her 2-3 questions. What is the strategy of the party? What now their Aam Aadmi Party is going to do? And even I tried to ask her about the criticism by Swati Maliwal, Rajya Sabha MP. But she did not say anything. She simply, the vehicle just sped past from this area, but then she did not utter a word. Because everybody was expecting that maybe after submitting a resignation, she'll be stopping her vehicle for a while. She'll be speaking to media person. But she appeared a bit upset also. And she did not say anything, and she left this place. And now all eyes, as I said earlier, will be on the BJP headquarters, where the meeting is to be scheduled, where they are going to discuss and decide about the chief minister phase. Now, how much time it will take for the BJP to form government? That till then she'll continue to remain as the caretaker chief minister. And she came out to this place. She was there for about 5 to 10 minutes inside. I think that was a mere formality. By the time she handed over the resignation and she left the place. Throughout, we have seen that whether she was the chief minister or whether Arvind Kejriwal, they had always been critical about the lieutenant governor. They always maintained one thing, that lieutenant governor had been acting as a stumbling block, never allowed them to function. So people had been asking him questions. You always kept on blaming lieutenant governor for everything. But when you constructed the chief ministerial bungalow and spent crores of rupees, nobody stopped you, neither even lieutenant governor. Why it was every time, whenever it was about the welfare of the people, you tried to blame lieutenant governor. So it was quite evident that she will not be spending much time at the Lieutenant Governor's office, and immediately after handing over the resignation, she left this place.
So one of the youngest chief ministers and a woman chief minister that Delhi has seen, as far as barely being a chief minister for less than 6 months, Atishi has now tendered her resignation as Delhi chief minister. However, the norm that is now usually followed, of course, we talk about the Congress party performance as well, because the Congress party in its identity, Nyamika, it's being questioned now. As a political party, and what role did it play in the Delhi elections? Of course, as far as cutting into the vote bank of the Aam Aadmi Party, its own leaders from the India Bloc Alliance are questioning the Congress party and its performance.
Well, yes, indeed, and even ahead of the assembly elections also, we have seen that how various India Bloc parties have tried to put a pressure upon the Congress party for having an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. They had also mentioned that they should remember, the Congress should remember that the motive of the India Bloc is to defeat the BJP, but not forming any alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital. The Congress party is indirectly helping the BJP, and that is what they are saying this time, as well as even we have seen that how the UBT Sena leader Mr. Sanjay Raut has reacted over the results of the Delhi Assembly elections, as he has also mentioned that the situation would have been different if the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi Party had contested unitedly. Even D. Raja has also given the similar kind of statement that we should remember what was the actual motive of this India Bloc, and that is the only reason why this question was asked many times from the Congress leaders, and the only response which we have got from the Congress party's side is that the Aam Aadmi Party was the first one to make this announcement that they want to contest the assembly elections separately. It was not the Congress party, and after that only the Congress party had made this decision, they had made this announcement, and we have seen that how various Congress leaders have also made this statement that we cannot trust Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. As just now we had also spoken to the Delhi Congress leader Mr. Abhishek Dutt, who had contested.
Well, it remains to be seen if there would be any introspection on part of the Congress, because third time in a row, as far as the assembly elections in Delhi are concerned, the Congress party has consistently been scoring 0. However, according to the latest update that is now coming in, Atishi has now tendered a resignation as the Delhi chief minister. Pictures that we are shortly expected to come in, as meetings that has also started between JP Nadda and the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. All of those live updates that are now taking place, we'll keep you aboard. We'll be back on the other side of a very short break.